Noah Rosenblatt from Urban Digs. This is your May check-in. The new charts are in. I want to tell you what I'm seeing over here. Let's start with my old favorite market pulse. It's at 0.4. This is the barometer of the market. This is telling me whether or not leverage is shifting to the buy side or the sell side. The lower it goes, that means it's a buyer's market. The higher it goes, that means it's a seller's market. This is at 0.4. It's up a little bit from the last month, which is a nice welcome sign. We're seeing a little bit of stabilization between supply and demand, but we're still down 7% from last year, which is telling me and confirming that this market is sluggish and it's still slow. Let's just scroll down to the monthly charts. Latest reading on price trends is still a normalization story. We're up 3.9%. And price per square foot from the last month. We're up a little bit from last year. Median sales price is up month to month, and it's up a little bit year over year. So that's always a good sign. There is some argument that this number is a lagging indicator, meaning these price trends are reflective of the market 6 to 9 months ago, and the recent weakness that the market had has not yet funneled through those pricing charts. So we got to keep an eye on that. Let's go back to the real-time stuff. Monthly contract activity, I don't like this number. I'm big on deal volume. It's down. It's down 11% year over year. It's down 8% from the last month. So it's not a great number. May is usually one of the best months in the active season to start the calendar year off. So I don't like seeing something like this, especially after we had one good month last month. I was hoping to see some follow through, and we did not get it. So that's something to keep an eye on. Monthly new supply, there's a little bit less stuff coming on the market, and that is helping to mute the downside of this lower deal volume. It would be much worse if there was rising supply as this deal volume went down, but that's not the case. So it's good to see that supply is down a little bit as well. And I want to end right here. Median listing discount at 7%. This is the highest it's been in a while. This is telling me how much sellers need to go down to get a deal done. I just want to show you this chart right over here. 7%. Take a look at it. Take a look at where we were at the peak of the market. 1%. That means sellers were getting 99% of their ask in 2015, and we're all the way up to 7%. That means some sellers are going down 8, 9, 10% plus. Some sellers are going down 4, 5, 6%, et cetera, et cetera. Those sellers that are getting near full ask or at full ask or lucky enough to get over ask, you are in the minority right now. So take a look at this climb right here, and this is really reflective of this market. Sellers need to be negotiable. You need to price right. You need to be ready to negotiate. Buyers hold all the cards. That's what I see that's going on right now. That's your May check-in. Noah from Urban Digs. We'll catch you next time with the June check-in. Have a good day.